Hi, in this video I would like to show you the procedure of updating the firmware for the new AMC version 2. I have placed the board on a little holder so you can see it and see the software needed as well. The first thing when you power it up, you probably want to check what's the firmware in it already. So you can push down the dip switch 1 for this, then press reset. It will show you the current firmware there. It's 2.1c right now. So I want to update it to a little newer one. I can just leave it down. Okay. So the first thing is to make sure that you have the serial port connected and the driver installed as well. To do that, you go to the device manager of the Windows and make sure you can see the USB serial port at the number that it's random taking by the computer. You can change that, and also that there is a USB serial converted device. So in the USB serial COM port you can check the version of it doing the properties. Let's see the driver. It's from FTDI and it's 2016 version. It's fine. You can change probably the COM port number to something that's not used. I have everything used here, but it's better if you use something low, especially for Ian's BFF motion software. It should be something between those, so you may want to clear up some of this to use a low COM port number. Okay, let's go back. Now we need to put this COM number to the options of the Universal Bootloader program. So all we do is to go to the COM port, select the COM port 131 here, okay, and then we have to load the firmware. Let's see, I'll just grab one. It should start with ENC in front. That's the firmware you want to select. So where did it download? But to download first, we have to put the microcontroller in bootloader state. To do that, there's a little jumper there placed on B0. We want it to be in B1, but we can just remove it and keep it in hand for now. It will, because of the pull-up, it will enable the B1 automatically. You don't have to put a jumper on that position. So after you pull the jumper, you have to reset it. Nothing will show here. If you click here, it will be just nothing. That doesn't have effect. So right now it's in bootloader, so go back to the program and click to the download. There it is, the download button. It may say it failed. You can try it again. It will connect. Okay. So now it's downloading. You can see the progress bar there increasing. Now it's a good time to grab again the jumper and place it back on B0 while it's doing the update. Now we'll have to wait a little bit for the firmware to download the device. It may take a little while because it's a little big. So I'm gonna leave it while you'll see on the end of the progress it will automatically boot to the new firmware. You'll see the change here. Alright, so there you have it. Now it's 2.2. So that's all you have to do now is you can just enable the menu again and go to see the new functions added for this firmware. Alright, thanks for watching.